Today, through this video, we will talk about one of the most prestigious job in India. The full form of IAS is Indian Administrative Service. It is the premier government job for which top candidates are selected after conducting of the hardest exam in the world. Let's begin now. The Indian Administrative Service (IAS) is one of the premier civil service of India. The IAS exam, also known as the Civil Services Examination (CSE), is conducted by the Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) annually. The exam is known for its rigorous selection process, which includes three stages: the preliminary examination, the main examination, and the personality test interview. Understanding the IS exam structure, first is preliminary examination. The preliminary examination is the first stage of the IS exam. It consists of two papers. First is General Studies Paper 1, covers subjects like history, geography, polity, economy, environment, commerce science, and technology and current affairs. Second is General Studies Paper 2, focus on comprehension, interpersonal skills, logical reasoning, decision making, basic numeracy, and English language comprehension skills. Second is main examination. The main examination is a written test consisting of nine papers. Paper A, compulsory Indian language. Paper B, English. Paper first, essay. Paper second, general studies. First, Indian heritage and culture, history and geography of the world and society. Paper third, General Studies, governs constitution, polity, social justice, and international relations. Paper fourth, General Studies. Third, technology, economy, development, biodiversity, environment, security, and disaster management. Paper fifth, it covers general studies. Fourth, ethic, integrity, and aptitude. Paper 6 and 7th. Optional subjects, paper first and second. Third is personality test. This is interview. The final stage is the personality test, which assess the candidate's overall personality, including intellectual abilities, social traits, and interest in current affairs. Strategic approach to IS preparations. First, building a strong foundations. इसके अंदर फर्स्ट इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द syllabus and exam pattern. Familiarize yourself with the detailed syllabus and exam pattern of both prelims and mains. Break down the syllabus into manageable sections and create a study plan covering all topics. Choosing the right optional subject. Select an optional subject based on your interest, academic background, and availability of study materials. Consider the scoring trends and overlap with general studies. Second is effective study techniques. First, creating a study plan. Develop a realistic and structured study plan with daily, weekly, and monthly goals. Allocate time for each subject and ensure regular revisions. B. Quality study materials. Use standard textbooks and references material recommended by toppers and experts. Supplement your preparation with online resources. C. Notes making. Make concise and organized notes for each subject. Highlight important points, facts, and figures. Regularly update notes with current affairs and recent developments. Third is preparation for preliminary examination. Alpha General Studies paper first. It covers first is history, Focus on ancient, medieval, and modern history. Use book like India's Struggle for Independence by Bipan Chandra. Geography. Study physical, human, and economic geography. Use resources like NCERT textbooks and certificate physical and human geography by G.C. Leong. Polity. Understanding the constitution, political system, and governance. Refer to Indian Polity by M. Lakshmi Nath. Economy covers basic concept, current economics, development, and etc. Use sources like Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. Environment. Study environmental issues, biodiversity, and climate change. Refer to NCERT books and relevant websites like the Ministry of Environment. Science and technology. Stay updates with recent advancement and their applications. Use newspapers and science journals. Current affairs. Follow daily newspapers, monthly magazines, and online portals for the latest updates. B. General Studies Paper Second. Practice comprehension passages and logical reasoning questions. Improve basic numeracy skills and data interceptions. Solve previous year question papers and mock test. Fourth, preparation for main examination. A. Essay paper. Practice writing essays on diverse topics. Work on structuring the essay, developing arguments, and presenting your views coherently. Read editorials and opinion pieces to enhance your writing skills. B. General studies papers. General studies first. Cover Indian culture, history, and geography. Focus on socio-economic issues and global phenomena. General studies 2. Study governance, polity, social justice, and international relations. Use government reports and official websites for updated information. General Studies third. Focus on economic development, technology, environment, security, and disaster management. Refer to economic surveys and current affairs. General Studies fourth. Understand ethics, integrity, and aptitude. Use case studies to illustrate ethical demands and regulations. C. Optional subject papers. Deep dive into the chosen optional subject. Cover the entire syllabus comprehensively and practice answer writing. Use previous year's question papers and sample answers for references. Fifth is personally test. This is interview preparation. A. Self-awareness and communications skills. Work on improving communications skills, including articulation and body language. Stay updated with current affairs, especially issues related to your home, state, and background. B. Mock interview. Participate in mock interviews conducted by coaching institutes. Seek feedback and work on areas of improvement. Maintain a calm and composed demeanor during the interview. Time management and consistency. Daily routine. Follow a disciplined daily routine with fixed study hours. Take regular break to avoid burnout and maintain productivity. Second is regular revisions. Allocate time for regular revisions to reinforce learning. Use revision notes and practice test for effective revisions. Third is practice and mock test. Solve previous year question paper and take mock test. Analyze performance and identify weak areas. Work on improving speed and accuracy. Staying motivated and managing stress. Setting realistic goal. Set achievable short-term and long-term goals. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Second is physical and mental well-being. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with proper diet, exercise, and sleep. Practice meditation and relaxation techniques to manage stress. Third is support system. Seek support from family, friends, and mentors. Join study groups or online forums for guidance and motivations. Conclusion. Preparing for the IS exam is a challenging yet rewarding journey. It demands a strategic approach, consistent effort, and unwavering determination. By following a well structured study plan, utilize quality resources, and maintaining a positive attitude, aspirants can enhance their chances of success in the IS exam. This guide aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the IS exam preparation process. Each section can be further elaborated with specific details, examples, and additional resources as needed. I hope you will get some extra benefits from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel EduWeb. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Jai Hind.